Hi, Harida here. This is a part of the video solving class 10 question papers chapter wise. And in the last video, we solved questions from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry and Trigonometric Identities. We solved till question number 8. So in this video, we'll solve from question number 9. Okay. So let's start now. The question is, if 15 tan square theta plus 4 sec square theta equal to 23, find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta the whole square. It is whole square, okay, minus sine square theta. Question is, if 15 tan square theta plus 4 sec square theta equal to 23, find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta the whole square minus sine square theta. Okay, so given 15 tan square theta plus 4 sec square theta equal to 23. And what is sec square theta in terms of tan square theta? It is tan square theta plus 1, right? So we can write the sec square theta as tan square theta plus 1. So 15 tan square theta plus 4 into tan square theta plus 1 equal to 23. So, taking this bracket will get 15 tan square theta plus 4 tan square theta plus 4 equal to 23. So, 19 tan square theta equal to 23 minus 4, which is 19. So, what is tan square theta? Tan square theta equal to 19 divided by 19, which is 1, which means tan theta equal to 1. For which value of theta tan theta will be 1? It is 45 degree. So you got theta equal to 45 degree. Okay, understood? Now we have to find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta the whole square minus sine square theta. Okay. Sec theta plus cosec theta the whole square minus sine square theta equal to sec 45 plus cosec 45 whole square minus sine square 45. 5 is root 2, cosec 45 is root 2. So root 2 plus root 2 the whole square minus sine square 45 is 1 by root 2 the whole square. So 2 root 2 the whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So 4 into 2. 2 square into root 2 square. It is 4 into 2, which is 8. 8 minus 1 by 2. So taking LCM, you will get 15 by 2 as the answer. Understood? Now look at the 10th question. Evaluate 4 into sin raised to 4 30 plus cos raised to 4 60 minus 3 into cos square 45 minus sin square 90. 4 into sin 30 is half. So 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 raised to 4 minus 3 into cos square 45 1 by root 2 the whole square minus sin square 90. It is sin 90 is 1. So 1 square, which is 1. 4 into 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 4 into 2 by 16 minus 3 into minus 1 by 2, right? So, here 4 and then 2. So, 1 by 2 and minus of minus, here minus and here minus. So minus of minus will give plus. 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So 2 is the answer. Next question is 11th one. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. We have to prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. Okay. So here LHS equal to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta, right, equal to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta is 1 by tan theta plus cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, right? This will be tan theta by, here in the denominator taking LCM you will get tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. This is equal to tan theta by tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta, right, which is equal to tan square theta by tan theta minus 1 plus 1 by tan theta into 1 minus tan theta, right? Now tan theta, this 1 minus tan theta can be converted to tan theta minus 1. This is minus of tan theta minus 1. 1 minus tan theta is minus of tan theta minus 1. So this can be written as tan square theta by tan theta minus 1 minus 1 by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. So taking LCM you will get tan cube theta minus 1 by tan theta into tan theta minus 1, right? Now a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, right? So can be written as tan theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta by tan theta minus 1 into tan theta. So this and this cancels. Tan theta minus 1 cancels. So you will get tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta by tan theta. Now dividing all these terms of the numerator by tan theta which is in the denominator, you will get tan square theta by tan theta is tan theta plus 1 by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta is 1. So you will get tan theta plus cot theta plus 1, which is the RHS, right? You have to prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. By simplifying this, you got tan theta plus cot theta plus 1, which is the RHS. Understood? Next question is, prove that sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta whole divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. We have to prove that sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta by 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. So, this sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta can be written as, this is the LHS. So, LHS equal to, left hand side equal to sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta by 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, which is equal to sin square theta the whole square. You can write it like this, no? Sin raised to 4 theta can be written as sin square theta the whole square plus cos square theta the whole square by 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Now, if sin square theta is considered as A and cos square theta is considered as B, this is of the form A square plus B square. Sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square is of the form A square plus B square. And what is A square plus B square? It is A plus B the whole square. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square minus 2 it is a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So, minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta by 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Right? And we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Identity. So, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, the whole square is also 1 square, which is 1. So, 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta by 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So, this and this cancels, which will give 1. And we have to prove that sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta by 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. So, 1, which is the RHS. So, hence proved. Okay. Next question, 13th one. Find the value of theta if cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 4. Theta less than or equal to 90 degree. Okay. In this question, we have to find the value of theta if cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 4, where theta less than or equal to 90 degree. Okay. So, here this implies cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 4 implies cos theta into, taking the LCM, you will get cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to 4. Right? So, this implies so, here cos theta is common here. So, you can take cos theta outside and 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine square theta. And what is it? It is cos square theta. Here it implies cos theta into this plus sine theta and minus sine theta cancels. So you will get 2 here, and 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, identity. So cos theta, 1 cos theta cancels. So this implies this is equal to 4, okay, and this is equal to 4. So this implies 2 by cos theta. 2 by cos theta is 2 sec theta. 2, that is 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So 2 by cos theta is 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta equal to 4. This implies 2 sec theta equal to 4, which means sec theta equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2, right? So for which value of theta, sec theta will be 2. Sec 60 is 2. Sec 60 degree is 2. So you got theta equal to 60 degree. So with this I am concluding part 2 of the video, Introduction to Trigonometry and Trigonometric Identities. And we have done up to 13 questions from this chapter. We'll be solving next questions in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe and please do like and share so that others can also benefit. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll try to clear it. So thank you and bye.